gonna say, am I a rabbit? Y'all, if you guys can see the whole tripod situation right now, it is doing the most. Actually, let me show y'all. This is my tripod stand. You know what? You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But what's up, my babies? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're gonna spend this weekend in Chicago. I love me Chicago. It has been so long since we took a weekend trip to Chicago. We are about 3 hours away from Chicago. Chicago is a bigger city. I love big cities. I am just that type of girl. So it's been just so long since we've been to Chicago, surprisingly, and I used to love going there. But y'all, I'm excited. I have this like headband situation because I had to glue down this unit. This is a lace closure. So we're gonna see how it looks once I take this off, but it's not ready yet. Let me go ahead and wait for my boo, and I hear him calling. So let me go ahead and answer this call so we can go ahead and head out. I actually have not ate breakfast at all, so we could get something to eat too. Decided to obviously get some coffee. Decided on Starbucks. I was about to do Dunkin'. Then I remember there was this TikTok drink that I actually tried before and I really liked it. And in case you're curious, this is a grande iced brown sugar oat milk with espresso, add cinnamon on top, and vanilla sweet cream foam. So good. I realized when I got this last time, I finished the whole thing. And I realized I've been loving sweet cream foam on a lot of my drinks from Starbucks. I'm telling y'all something about sweet cream foam. Add it on your matcha, on your refresher. It's so good. Even on your iced coffee, obviously. So good. Yeah, that's some good stuff. I realized I didn't drink no coffee this morning, so I feel very low energy and we need to like get a little bit of energy going. So we're about to get something to eat and hit the road because, girl, we were supposed to be out of here a long time ago. Hotel room, at least we're at Junior's hotel room until Sunday. I'm gonna join him Sunday since we wanted to have a little, I won't say weekend, but we wanted to like sneak a little date night session here with each other as well. Don't want to get copyrighted, but we are in like the lounge area of this hotel and it's so freaking cute. I don't know if y'all can see me. It's really dark. It's such a vibe. Very like, y'all hear the music? We got somebody playing the piano over there. But anyways, love the vibe here. It's too cute. Do you like the vibe?
Yeah, I like the vibe.
Yeah? I can't hear. The music is gonna overpower.
I like the vibe. You hear like AZ, like you remember that?
Yeah, Arizona. Oh my gosh, when we went to Scottsdale, it does give me that vibe. I love it. Non-alcohol drink that looks so pretty. Why Junior gonna say, am I a rabbit? This is my appetizer because I'm gonna be going out with my friends later on, so I don't want to get too full. He got these chicken sandwich sliders. Looks good. I'm at the hotel. I'm at the hotel. I know, I can see. I just got to the hotel. Erica's right there. Alize's on the other corner over there. Trying to get herself ready. I think I'm gonna do a little something to my face. Probably brows. Because later on tonight, we're doing that one thing, right?
Yeah, the virtual.
I'm excited for that. I was telling Alize I don't want, because there's those big old like goggles situation going on that you have to wear. And if I wear makeup, I don't want to have a mark on my face, y'all. It is not cute. So we might just keep the makeup simple, do some brows. This is a cute little hotel room. There's Alize. Okay. Beats by Erica. Okay. By the way, if you guys are located in Fort Wayne and looking for a makeup artist,
me and my grandmother.
This girl's a makeup artist in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And yes, I am this short compared to Erica.
Yes, Jesus, look at this.
Okay, they call her Big E. They call me Little E because the height is
It's there.
Good morning, Chicago. And it's snowing. You guys can kind of see the little snowflakes falling down, but anyways, good morning. It's the next day and we woke up to really nasty weather. I was not thinking that we're gonna see the snow when we get here in Chicago, but it's fine. It looks really pretty. We are currently getting ready. I'm gonna probably curl this unit. And another thing I realized, I did not pack for this trip at all. Majority of the shoes, girl, that I packed are all heels. So it's so frustrating, but I know I had on some jeans, some boots in Junior's luggage. So he's gonna bring my boots over, but this is what I'm wearing today. Ooh, we got some food, y'all. We just ordered some yolk. Oh snap. Let me try this coffee because y'all, this dress it's a lot going on, okay? I ordered crepes. I also ordered scrambled eggs, potatoes, and sausage. So it was a vibe. We just got done getting ready, so now we're about to head on out and go candle making. It's gonna be our first time doing this. I'm confirming the ride. Let's see if I can show y'all my outfit. I don't think I can because it's a bit dark. This is the outfit of the day. I got this dress from, I don't even remember. I will link the website down in the description box. I'm rocking some tights because it's super cold out, and then I also obviously got these cute boots from Princess Polly, and then the hat is from Erica's collection of clothes. Oh, she got it from Shein. She got it from Shein. We're gonna have to take pictures right there at that selfie.
The lighting in here is amazing.
Self-made lighting is amazing. Okay, y'all see us. These are all the tools that we about to be using to make our own candle. I am so excited.
We have two options you can choose from today, one large item or two small items. You can do two of these 5.5 vessels. They burn for about 25 to 30 hours. If you choose to do two of these, you can choose two different tint colors so you're not doing the same color. So we have the top, our middle, and the base. If you actually read through the notes of each candle, you notice that there's different qualities.
Oh my gosh, y'all smell
This one right here, okay, let me clean.
It's different.
But I like this. I don't smell nothing. That's cool. I like that one. Yeah, I like that. What's that? I want this.
You do like this?
Yeah. You forgot to vlog. I said, oh my gosh. I think I got one. That really smells lovely.
That's not, okay. Now I get your scent.
Yeah. This is the peach
you like
one.
that clean.
I don't. You never.
It just
That one, yeah. Like
you know that one candy?
Picturing.
Yes.
It's peach.
It smells just like that.
It do.
Like on the money.
And it don't. It's like for a room. This is giving
Yes,
like a
it's gotta be like one of like if you have that
See, I just,
going
they
on.
don't stink.
It don't.
It's like a perfume almost.
That is strong, man.
A big smash. Y'all like some clean. Yeah, I ain't into.
That one is interesting, man. I like the smell of that. It smells so good. Oh, I cannot wait to actually put this in my home. We are back at the hotel room. This was not the plan for today at all. We actually wanted to go to Zara. Later on tonight, we did want to go out for dinner, like a little nice date night for our last night here, since I haven't seen this man all weekend. Well, I seen him yesterday, but not really spend time with him. So we did want to get in a little date night in there. But girl, when I tell you, I am not feeling like myself at all. Like, I just feel very nauseous, very tired. I didn't get a good enough sleep though last night. So luckily this man over here is not really bothered by it. He's just like, it's fine. Let's just come back to the hotel and just relax. But I'm watching, I think this is the Oscars. I'm not sure what's going on because I just turned on the TV. We were literally watching TikTok and me catching up on my favorite YouTubers. And this hotel room, girl, it is not meant for 2 people at all. Not at all. It's very small. It's given studio, not even studio, not even smaller. Right now we are heading to the mall because Sephora is having their spring sale. If you know, you know. If you're a Rouge member, what is it, Rouge? I don't know what it is, but it's 20% off if you're Rouge, and I'm a Rouge, obviously. There's 15% off, and then there's 10% off. I love when they have these sales because Sephora never has sales at all. So when they do have these sales, take advantage of them. Only because they never have them. I think they only have them two times a year. So we're gonna take advantage of that today so I can stock up on some of my favorite products. So that is what we're doing right now. And the ladies are here. Mom is back there. Maggie's driving. Jane, where you at? Wait. There she is. I was like, hold on, I can't see you. You know we can't do no shopping without a quick Starbucks drink. One size brand at all, so I'm gonna take advantage of the sale and get my hands on a couple of concealers. This is Deep 3-2. You know what, this might actually work for like a light bronze. Secure the bag. Secure the bag. Good morning, you guys. Today is Junior's birthday. I just woke up, so the energy, y'all know, the energy is pretty low right now. Currently making my iced coffee. Everyone left yesterday, so my mom, my sister, the whole familia, they left yesterday, which now it's quiet. But I realized I don't like it when it's so quiet here. You guys know it's just me and Junior, so it's like really you know, I don't know, it's really quiet around here. Okay, when they were here, it felt so good because everyone was loud. You got the kids, you got some people in the other rooms, so it just felt so good to have them over here. But yeah, it's fine. It is what it is. We're just gonna have to deal with me and Junior being alone with each other until we start having our kids. I think I'm gonna end up making pancakes for him this morning. That's what I'm thinking about doing because he does enjoy peanut butter pancakes. So let's whip up some pancakes. This is the mix that I usually use. I got this from Chcago. Okay, 1 cup. 1 cup of the mix and water. It doesn't need anything else. Yeah, that was a big scoop. I hope he enjoys peanut butter like that. They smell so good. I remember this vase from one of my vlogs. If you watch my vlogs, you should know about this vase because I got it at Target. I love it because I specifically got it to obviously add roses or any flowers that I desire. And these are the ones I got from Costco yesterday, and I think it's so pretty. I'm actually going to get rid of all of this. I don't like this because I just feel like it's just so much going on. The only thing I honestly want on this island is just this flower and this sugar. Like, what's going on here? I'm gonna get like a cart and put it right there, and then just add like fruits or, you know, vegetables that don't need to be in the fridge, because I just feel like this is just too much over here.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Let's sing it too. I just made that up. So we decided to stop at District Tab. Got the menu here. Happy birthday. Actually, the quality of the phone is not too bad. So let's dig in. So we came back home and got ready. Now we are heading to the basketball game. Little cute outfits of the day. We're back home, y'all. The game was so much fun. Birthday boy, did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yo, let me tell you, that was awesome.
This is the one time you guys will hear Junior talk. If there's something Junior enjoys, all men actually enjoy, is all things sport. I'm hungry. We were thinking about going to get some food because it's not that late.
Talking about that, we were just discussing where I was not hungry. Now, why am I feeling hungry when we just got home?
Honey, I know you. I know you very well. I knew he was gonna get hungry. I was asking him, oh, we should stop at a restaurant and get some food. He's like, I'm not really hungry. In my head, I'm like, he's gonna get hungry by the time we come home. And look.
And it's too late, we can't even cook right now.
No, it's very much too late. By the time we're done cooking, it's too late for me to be in that kitchen trying to whip up some stuff. No way.
What do you feel like ordering?
You wanna just like what, do a movie and order DoorDash?
Yep.
I do wanna wash my face. Did you see my makeup? Does it look natural?
It looks good. Yes, I told you got that face.
Because my skin was like super dry this morning and flaky. And then like Babe did some scrubbing on my skin, and I never do it's not good to do actually scrubbing on the skin. But I allow him because Junior.
She says not good.
Junior he be making medicine out of everything. So he is like my doctor. He is like my doctor at home. So whatever the doctor says, I usually follow because he is really good at a lot of things, especially when it comes to like health stuff. So
yeah, he actually did look good.
Yeah, thanks. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in the few days of our lives. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I think that's about it.
Subscribe
and notification bell.
I don't know which
I think it's down. It's down. Love y'all, and we will chat in another video. Bye. Beautiful.